Hi, it's Darren from Soar, and this is a short tutorial on how to upload map images to the Soar platform. To do so, you'll first need to click on the Join or Log In button using the information you've supplied previously. Once you've logged into the platform, you can follow up by choosing the Upload button. This takes you to a view where you can select either map images on the left or individual drone images on the right. Today we're loading map images. To start the process, click on the panel. The next window will give you the choice to choose the file on your desktop. Once you've selected the file, the parameters window will appear. You will need to give your image a name that will appear anytime this image is viewed on the Soar platform. Furthermore, you will need to select if this image is satellite, aerial, drone, topographic, elevation, or another type of image. The next thing to do is enter a series of tags that will help describe your image. Lastly, you'll need to populate the description window, describing what your image is, perhaps how it was acquired, and other helpful information for the users. The last process in this step is to certify that you own or have rights to publish the image and click the Upload button. You'll be given a progress window to indicate the time it takes to upload the image to the queue for the administrators at Soar to approve your image. Once the image has been approved by the administrators at Soar, you'll need to access your email associated with your account on Soar. In this case, the image has both been approved and has been noted as a featured image on Soar. The next step would be to return to the Soar webpage, again ensure that you're logged in, and access your maps and images from the dashboard. The dashboard will indicate that your image has been approved. Because this image was noted as featured, we can return to the main Soar webpage and find our image in the panel of featured images. In this case, it's the last one to be approved, so it's at the top. You can access your image either by clicking on the image panel on the left or by clicking on one of the marker icons to the right. While there, you can play with the transparency slider to compare your image to the imagery that's on the base layer. Thanks for joining us for this short tutorial on how to load drone maps or other types of map imagery such as satellite imagery to the Soar platform.